Hi, this is Kalyan from Group 6 and this video is an implementation of the decision tree algorithm. Decision trees help in the classification of data. The core idea is to build a tree that will select the features from the dataset to help make a decision. A decision is simply the class variable that is defined at the end of each row. For example, in this dataset, the class variables are plus and minus, positive, negative. Okay, the way the tree is constructed will result in decision attributes becoming the leaf nodes of the tree. A program simply has to traverse the decision tree based on the input attributes to arrive at the decision. So if we know the input attributes of a particular row like 1, 1, 2, etc., then we can easily arrive at plus or minus based on the decision tree that is constructed. There are multiple ways of constructing decision trees, one of which is called ID3, invented by J.R. Quinlan. So this ID3 uses entropy and information gain as additional attributes on top of the input attributes to construct. So entropy is just the measure of how different or varied the data is in the dataset, and information gain is the decrease in entropy when we split the dataset on an attribute. So the core idea of ID3 is to maximize the information gain. So that is what we have implemented in our code, the ID3. So when I run the code, we will get a Java showing window to which we have to upload the dataset and give percentage of data for training, which is 75%. So when I click on build tree, we will only get the model's accuracy in the window. But to see how the tree is constructed and on what attributes the information is gained maximum, we can go to the console. So on on the attribute 2, the information gain is around 42%. On 1, it's 25%. On 3, it's 0. So 2 is chosen as the attribute because it has the maximum information gain. And the accuracy of the decision tree constructed using 2 as the input attribute is 50%. Thank you.